To that end, it might be a good idea just to challenge yourself. How many days can I go without listening to news, listening to the TV, putting the TV on, being away from all my electronic stuff, and just spending more time either with family or in nature, or in a setting where you are really connected and really, really growing that spiritual connection.
Absolutely. Yeah. But recognize with every challenge, as you put it, comes an element of resistance, a pull and push. And with that pull and push, there's a resistance. So where's that resistance coming from? It is coming from another self. So then you are able to do more of your spiritual work by looking at what is not feeding that anymore. But the element of self-love, I think, is so key of tipping that scale. Tipping that scale from being looking at everything on the outside as we do in the human experience. Whereas the spiritual experience is more internal, because our body is that energy vessel. And how the more we tap into that, the more we understand it and feel it and look at our thoughts and look at the words and the actions and everything that we engage with, how that fuels us to take it onto another level.